So finally, here it is, the 7th generation of BMW's 3 Series. Now, the overall exterior gives us a first look of BMW's new design language that will be rolled out across all coming models. The focus here clearly is on sportiness and athleticism. Just take the wide stance, for example. It's even further accentuated by the optical connection of the kidney and the headlights. And talking about headlights, they come with standard LED technology and an optional laser light upgrade for added visibility and safety. The 3-dimensional tail light now also features some dark glass on top, giving them a lower, more dynamic look. As part of the new design, some of the typical BMW hallmarks, such as the Hofmeister kink, have also undergone a modern yet respectful reinterpretation. When you're in the driver's seat, the first thing you notice is the newly designed instrument cluster and center display. It also now comes with gesture control. Another high-end feature is the reversing assistant, which comfortably navigates you out of narrow alleyways or parking spots. The 7th generation 3 Series also comes with the all-new BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant. Let me show you. Hey, BMW, what can you do for me?
I can control various functions for you.
It not only just controls functions for you, it learns your habits in order to control them just like you. BMW engineers have managed to improve the 3 Series yet again. The 4-cylinder engine goes from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in just 5.8 seconds. And the handling and steering feel like a huge jump from its predecessor. It has better traction, agility and stability in all driving situations. And there's the new, significantly larger head-up display, which makes sure you keep an eye on everything, as well as the road.